What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. My name is Luke. I love to fish. Welcome to my channel. Today should be a fun freaking day. As of filming this video, bass season unfortunately is still closed in the great state of Minnesota. So I figured I'd come out here to a local lake here in town and I would go after some freaking panfish. But here's the kicker. So ZMan recently dropped the Micro Finesse series of Ned rig baits, and it's literally a Ned rig that has been shrunk. That's in a nutshell. Everything's shrunk. The Ned heads are smaller. The actual plastics are smaller. It's just a smaller profile Ned rig all the way around. And so far this year, for trout fishing and even some small panfish fishing, it's been amazing. So today, this is what we're gonna use. This is what we're gonna start off with. I got one rod with me, just a light spinning combo. This is the Daiwa Fuego 1000 with 5-pound test line. And I've already got a little ZMan Ned on there. Teeny tiny, but it should work. Hopefully, we're gonna find some bluegill. Let's see what we find. Let's go. All right. We're gonna try along the bank here. I'm starting to see some beds here and there. And I'm assuming they're probably bluegill or crappie. I don't think the bass are spawning yet, so I'm gonna work the bank here, just kind of walk along and hop around the old little mini Ned rig. I know there's some bigger bluegill in here. During ice fishing season, I catch a lot of them, but open water, not so much. So hopefully today we can fix that. Just toss this little guy around and see if we can find any fish. Oh, he's got it. Got him. Oh my gosh, it's the tiniest bass I've ever seen. There's a lot of these guys in here, just teeny tiny bass. Hopefully that's not all we catch today. It's the cool thing about a small bait like this though, you're gonna get everything. Bluegill, crappie, creek chubs, bass. It literally does not matter. I think just about everything in here will eat. Speaking of the devil, another tiny bass. I had a feeling these guys were gonna be going after this little bait. Nicely done. Oop. Was a crappie. Got him. A crappie. Okay. I'll take it. Little guy. There he is. You got it. Oh, there's a bluegill too. Oh, got him. Got him. What is it? Looks like a bluegill. Yes. First bluegill of the day. Not a giant, but beautiful colors. Beautiful, beautiful. That's what we're after. Got him. That would be a small crappie. It's hard to tell if these guys are spawning yet. I think they're between the bluegill and the crappie. They're probably just trying to find a place to fan out the area, and they're getting ready, but I don't think they're actually spawning yet. Might be another week or so. Got it. Oh, he did have it. He got it. Another crappie. Ooh. Bluegill, baby, come on, come on. That's what I'm talking about. That is what I'm talking about. That's what we came for. He's got it. Got him. Feels like, is it a crappie? That is a crappie. Nice crappie too. Let's go. What a nice, oh no. Oh, I hope you guys saw that. That's one of the nicer crappies I've caught out here in a while. There he goes. Shoot. He's got it. Got him. Feels good, whatever it is. Oh, it's a bass. Another tiny bass. There you go, buddy. I'm just gonna keep on walking the bank here till I find a nice little bucket of panfish. That's the great thing about some of these lakes though. You know, it's obviously not the most ideal terrain, but if you have a pair of boots, you know, like I have, I got some rubber boots on me. You know, I can walk basically this entire lake without having to, you know, get on the bike trail or the sidewalk. I can kind of walk the bank here and make a cast, keep walking. It's pretty nice. Little guy. The species we are after, but the size we're not. Another one right here. Let's see if we eat it. It's a bigger one. Oh, that's a small one. Oh, that's not bad. Yeah, about the same size. Golly, these fish are gorgeous. Healthy looking, gorgeous. Love to see it. Let's see if we can get one more. He's got it. Oh. Oh. Oh my goodness. I want some of the bigger ones. Where are the bigger ones at? Come on, guys. Don't be afraid. Oh, oh. He's got it. He's got it. Let him. Oh, he dropped it. Got him. That was awesome. Sight fished him. That's a good looking gill right there. Oh. Oh, this is so much fun. Ooh. Feels like a bluegill. Yep. Beautiful. Beautiful. Oh, okay. He's out here. I'm starting to realize something here. A lot of these fish are suspended. And the way this lake is shaped, it's shallow right here, and then it just goes whoop, and it drops straight down. I think what I might do, I have micro jerkbaits. I might throw in a micro jerkbait. Ooh, that was a bite. And see if maybe I can get some of these fish up off the bottom and the top, you know, right in that middle water column area, and see if I can get some more bluegill or crappie, because, you know, obviously the main goal for today is bluegill, but I'm catching a lot of crappie. So I guess today, instead of just bluegill, we're gonna just do panfish. This is gonna be a panfish day, which is totally okay with me. There he is. Oh my gosh. Again, tiny bass. Oh, got him. Out deep. Feels like a bass. No, it's a bluegill. Sign me up. Beautiful. Well, I think I'm gonna wrap out with the micro jerkbait. Looking around, what do I see? I got spoon, I've got little rattle traps, Ned rigs, jerkbait. I'm gonna try the jerkbait. These fish are suspended. They seem to be aggressive. We're gonna give this guy a try and see if they maybe want something a little more, you know, erratic. Sun's about to go down. Calm as calm can be. Perfect conditions. Let's see. Oh my goodness, that was awesome. Literally first cast right away. Let's go back out there. I watched him come up and just whoop. Oh, got him. Oh, crappie. There we go. Doesn't take a whole lot to get this thing to twitch though, which is great. Got him. Another crappie. Well, there's another crappie. Well, folks, that is going to conclude today's adventure. I wish we had found some more bluegill, but honestly, even just catching some crappie's fun. Caught a few bass, and of course a few bluegill. All in all though, I really can't complain. I'm just so happy to be out, honestly. It's nice out, it's springtime. Just being able to walk the bank and throw a line. It's honestly my favorite way to fish. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. As always, I appreciate the support, each and every single one of y'all. You guys are freaking awesome, and I will catch you guys on the next one. Peace!